हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 3.3 ऑफ इनडेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन करने जा रहे हैं। दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स मेथड। थ्योरम हमने पिछले वीडियो में पढ़ा था, दैट इज इंटीग्रल यू वी डी एक्स, दैट इज यू इंटीग्रल वी डी एक्स माइनस इंटीग्रल डी यू बाई डी एक्स इंटू इंटीग्रल वी डी एक्स एंड उसका इंटीग्रेशन। सो दिस इज व्हाट थ्योरम फॉर इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स. Exercise 3.3 is based on that, so we are going to solve that. We'll continue the same exercise जो कि हमने पिछले वीडियो में शुरू किया था. So let us continue with this exercise 3.3 question number 7. Question number 6 तक हमने previous वीडियो में किया था. So we'll continue. I is equal to integral, see this sec cube x, it is a particular type of integral. So how we solve it? Sec cube x will write as sec x into sec square x dx. In integration by parts, this v function we choose whose integration is known to us. अब इसमें sec square x का integration we know, so therefore we choose this as v and this as u. So we'll select this as u and this as what v and integrate it by parts. First, that is u as it is, sec x as it is, integration of sec square x dx minus integration derivative of u, that is derivative of sec x d dx of sec x into integration of sec square x dx and this complete integration. Now integration sec square x is tan x, integral sec x is sec x tan x, so we write it sec x, this is tan x, minus integration of derivative of sec x is sec x tan x, and this integration sec square x is tan x dx. This tan x and into tan x will become tan square x, sec x into tan x minus integration of sec x into tan square x dx. अब ये tan square x है, we'll write it, we'll express it into sec square x minus 1. 1 plus tan square is sec square x. So sec square x minus 1 is tan square x. It is sec x tan x minus integration of sec x into, this is sec square x minus 1, sec square x minus 1 dx. Sec x and sec square x, it will become sec cube x and minus sec x. Separate it. So this is sec x tan x minus integration of sec cube x dx minus, and this minus, it will be plus integration of sec x dx. Sec cube x and sec x, minus of minus will be plus. Then I is equal to, but we have started with I is equal to sec cube x. So we arrive to this step, and here it is also sec cube x, and what that means, what we can write in place of this, इसके बदले आप I लिख सकते हैं. So we have started with I, and that is equal to sec x into tan x minus, this is nothing but I, minus I plus integral of sec x dx. Now this I take in the left hand side, so 2I, it is equal to sec x tan x. I we take in the left hand side, sec x tan x and integral of sec x. So integral of sec x is log of sec x plus tan x and plus constant of integration, say c dash, because we required I, so therefore we take c dash, and integral of sec x is what? Log of sec x plus tan x. Similarly, we can evaluate if it is instead of sec cube x, there is cosec cube x. So on the same line you can find the answer. Cosec cube will write cosec and cosec square, and this cosec square will write 1 minus cosec square will write, see, integral of cosec square is minus cot, and this will be, so in place of cot square will write cosec square minus 1 again. So remember, when it is cosec cube, so we'll write, we follow the same step. So required integral I is equal to 1 by 2 sec x tan x plus 1 by 2 log of sec x tan x plus tan x and plus c dash upon 2, because dividing by 2 we required I, so c dash upon 2 will write what? C, and finally you will be getting answer. Integral sec cube x is equal to 1 by 2 sec x plus tan x, sorry, sec x into tan x plus 1 by 2 log of sec x plus tan x, and in place of c dash upon 2 we will write c. So this is our answer, integral sec cube x. इस इंटीग्रल में sin square x we write as 1 minus cos x. See, sin square x, that is 1 minus cos of 2x upon 2, which is equal to sin square x. So in place of this sin square x we write 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. So this will be x into 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 dx. Then separate it. It is 1 by 2 integral x dx minus 1 by 2 integral x into cos 2x dx. Now this integral we evaluate by integration by parts method, and this is, we know, integral of x dx is what? X square by 2 minus 1 by 2. Integrate it by parts, so obviously algebraic function and trigonometric function. So we are using this rule, algebraic function and then trigonometric function. So algebraic is the first function, that is u, and this is v. Cos 2x is v. So first u as it is, integration of v cos of 2x dx minus integration of derivative of the x, so that is d dx of x, and integration of cos 2x complete integral here, and this curly bracket is there because 1 by 2 is outside. अभी इंटीग्रल cos 2x is sin 2x upon 2, यहाँ पे भी इंटीग्रल cos 2x is sin 2x upon 2, और ये dx इंटीग्रल डेरिवेटिव is what? 1. x derivative is 1, so it is x square by 4 minus 1 by 2 x. This integral is sin 2x upon 2, integral of 1, derivative of x is 1, sin 2x upon 2 dx. This is x square by 4, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 x into sin 2x. This minus and again this minus will give us plus 1 by 4 2 and this 2, integral of sine 2x dx. Now we integrate this only, its integration will be minus cos 2x upon 2, that only we will write here. So I is equal to x square by 4 minus 1 by 4 x sine 2x plus 1 by 4 integral sine 2x is minus cos 2x upon 2 and plus c. Finally it is x square by 4 minus x sine 2x upon 4 minus 1 by 8 cos of 2x plus c. So this completes our answer. Here we integrate by parts, but before to that, this sine square 2x, sine square x, we write as 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. We put in this formula sine square x and simplify it. After that, here in the second integral, we need to use integration by parts method. Question number 9, x cube log x. So here logarithmic function we consider as first function, that is u. This will be u and this will be v, algebraic function. So algebraic function and here it is logarithmic function. So this is u. First u as it is log of x. We use this rule, that is integration by parts into integration of v. Integration of v matlab x cube dx minus integration of derivative of u. So derivative of log x. So d dx of log x into integration of v. So integration of x cube dx. Then x cube integration is x to the power 4 upon 4 log of x minus integration of derivative of log x 1 by x, and this is x to the power 4 upon 4 here, and again integration of that 1 by x to the power 4 upon 4, x to the power 4 upon 4 log x minus integration of 1x will get cancelled here, it will be x cube dx, and it will be x to the power 4 upon 4 log of x minus 1 by 4 and integration of x cube, it is x to the power 4 upon 4 plus c. So the last answer will be x to the power 4 upon 4 log of x to the power 4 upon 16 plus c. Question number 10, e raised to power 2x cos of 3x dx. ये ऐसा इंटीग्रल है जिसमें आप कोई भी फंक्शन एज u you can select, या तो e raised to power 2x you can select this as u and this as v, और vice versa. इसमें ये लिएट रूल आप यूज नहीं किया तो भी चलता है, बट दिस इज अ पर्टिकुलर इंटीग्रल e raised to power ax cos of bx और e raised to power ax sin of bx. ऐसे पर्टिकुलर इंटीग्रल में आप कोई भी फंक्शन एक्सपोनेंशियल या ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन you can choose as a u function and another as a v function. So according to this, exponential should be a second function v, but we are choosing suppose इसको u और इसको v आप मान लो, this is v, and integrate it by parts. So if we integrate by parts, so before to that we take this as I. So I is equal to e raised to power 2x into cos of 3x dx. this is u, so u as it is e raised to power 2x, so e raised to power 2x as it is 2x integration of cos of 3x dx minus integration of derivative of u, so derivative of u, that is dtx of e raised to power 2x into integration of cos of 3x dx, and here bracket complete and whole dx. So integration of e raised to power 2x and integration of this is sin 3x upon 3 minus integration derivative of e raised to power kx, that is e raised to power kx into k, but this integration is what, sin 3x upon 3, and this completes dx, which is 1 by 3 e raised to power 2x sin 3x minus 2 by 3 integral e raised to power 2x sin 3x dx. So one more time we integrate it by parts. You will take this as u and this as v and integrate it by parts again. So left hand side is I, right hand side is e raised to power 2x sin 3x upon 3 minus 2 by 3 and integrate it by parts. E raised to power 2x integration of sin 3x dx minus integration of derivative of this u, so d dx of e raised to power 2x and integration of again sin 3x dx. Here it completes and dx again, so that I is equal to e raised to power 2x sin 3x upon 3 minus 2 by 3 e raised to power 2x integration of sin 3x is minus cos 3x upon 3 minus integration of this is e raised to power 2x into 2 and this is minus cos 3x upon 3 whole dx. Then simplify it further. We have started with I. Integral I is equal to e raised to power 2x sin 3x upon 3 minus, and this minus, it will be plus 2 by 9 e raised to power 2x cos of 3x minus sign, 3 times minus sign, so it will be minus only. So it will be minus only 2 and this 2 and this 3. It is this 2 minus sign is outside the curly bracket and minus 2 by 3 is multiplying to this term also. So it is 4 upon 9. Minus of 4 upon 9 integral of e raised to power 2x into cos of 3x dx. into cos of 3x dx. So here we have started with I. So our I is equal to e raised to power 2x cos 3x. I is equal to integral e raised to power 2x cos 3x dx. And we are getting this I over here. यहाँ पे e raised to power 2x cos 3x is I. And same you are getting e raised to power 2x cos 3x. So this is again I. Therefore it is I is equal to I integral is equal to e raised to power 2x sin 3x upon 3 plus 2 by 9 e raised to power 2x cos 3x and minus 4 upon 9 into I. So that this I we take in the left hand side. So it is I plus 4 by 9 into I is equal to e raised to power 2x. We can take common from these two terms. Upon 3 also we will take common. So यहाँ पे आएगा sin 3x plus 2 by 3. After taking e raised to power 2x upon 3 common, so it is 2 by 3 and cos of 3x. This 4 by 9 I we took in the left hand side plus constant of integration c dash. Therefore this is what, after simplifying, it is 13 by 9 I e raised to power 2x upon 3 into sin of 3x plus 2 by 3 cos of 3x plus c dash. But we required only I. So only I we will write. So only I will write here. So therefore I is equal to (9 by 13) we write here. So 9 by 13 means what? It is 9 by 13 into e raised to power 2x upon 3 into sin 3x plus 2 by 3 cos 3x and c dash upon 2 divided by this. So we write what? C dash upon 2 and divided by this constant we write c. This 3 is getting cancelled, it is 3. So required integral is 3 by 13. It is 3 by 13 e raised to power 2x sin 3x plus 2 by 3 cos 3x and plus c, constant of integration. Log x upon x dx. We know derivative of log x is 1 by x. So first of all we make substitution. So we put here log x is equal to u, or t we put, it is t is equal to log of x. Therefore dt by dx is 1 by x and dt will be equal to 1 by x into dx. So our integral I will become log of log x means log of t, and dx upon x is equal to dt. Dx upon x is equal to dt. Now only one function is there inside the integrand. So to evaluate it, we multiplied by 1, so that we know integration of 1 we know, that is t with respect to dt with respect to t, and derivative of this we know. So this we take for derivative, that is u, and this we take for integration v, and integrate by parts. इसको अभी integration by parts से evaluate करते. So u as it is, log of t as it is, integration of 1, so integration of 1 dt minus integration of derivative of u, that is 1 by t. So d dt of log t into integration of v, integration of 1 dt, and here completes the integration. So here whole dt log of t, and this integration is t minus integration of derivative is 1 by t and इसका इंटीग्रेशन t आएगा dt, so that this t is getting cancelled and it is 1 only, so it is t log t minus integration of dt, then t log t, so I is equal to t log t minus this integration is t and plus c, or substitution is t is equal to log x, so it is log of x into log of x into, or we may take this t common from here, so log t minus 1 plus c, and we have t is equal to log x, so log x, log of log x minus 1 plus c. So this is the answer. Integration by parts continued in the next video. Thank you for watching.